Welcome to Frywall Fridays. We just celebrated the first day of spring and we're excited to make Marcella Hazan's pasta with 4 herbs. It's a great recipe for celebrating the spring and the summer to come, and it's done and on your table in not much more time than it takes to boil and cook up some pasta. The pasta water is already starting to heat up. Let's get going with the recipe. Our 4 herbs are mint, rosemary, sage, and parsley. We're going to chop up about a teaspoon of each, except for the parsley. That's going to be about a tablespoon. Let's get started on that. Next, we're going to chop up our tomatoes. You want about a pound of the sweetest tomatoes you can get. Right now, the best and sweetest tomato in season is Campari, so that's what we're going to go with. We're going to slice it in 2 to begin and take out the seeds quickly. You don't have to get all of them out, but you don't want too much juice and seeds for this recipe. In the summer, beef steak tomatoes, when they're sweet and very ripe, are perfect. Slice them about yay big, a fine, maybe a medium dice. I'm going to go ahead and add that to our bowl with the herbs. That was about 9 Campari tomatoes, and we're going to put them in with the herbs. We're using a nice big bowl here because we're actually going to use the same bowl to serve the pasta in when we're all done. So here we're going to put the rest of the tomatoes in here and give it a good stir. And this is going to go get fried up very quickly, and that's going to go on top of our pasta. Wow, this smells really, really good. Great. As you can see, I have the pasta here cooked and ready to go, and I'm going to add 1/3 cup of oil to the pan and let it get smoking hot. It really needs to start smoking. The oil is nice and hot now. I'm going to go ahead and put in the mixture of tomatoes and herbs and quickly fry it up. Once the sauce has begun to bubble and just started to cook, we're going to add the pasta back in and give it a good stir to blend all the ingredients together. All right, let's get this back into our bowl here. And there you have it. Marcella Hazan's pasta with 4 herbs. Marcella Hazan doesn't mention Parmesan in her recipe, but I can't resist. There you go. Enjoy.